Welcome to Codemaster Lab. In this video, we are going to see the vendor categories, how to create them, and also list how we can able to view the vendors. As of now, I am logging into the admin panel. Once it is logged in, you can able to see your dashboard. So we'll click on vendors. This is how the vendors looks like your dashboard. So you can activate and deactivate the account of the vendors as well. Let's go with the vendor category. As of now, there is no vendor category or no vendors. We'll slowly in our next videos we'll create that. At here I have few already predefined category names and small descriptions. This is how you need to add them and select any of the icon as you like. Here I have taken wedding planners, means persons will be helping you out, so I have added them. Similarly, you have venues as well. You choose any icon, it's up to you. Caterers, photographers. Next you have decorators, you have makeup artists, and also you have your bridal wear, what kind of clothing you can wear and all. So those things you can add one by one. Jewelries, entertainment, invitation letters, stationery items. If you want to add them, you can add that as well. You need any bakery items, transportations, everything is included. So you can add as many of your categories you need. Okay, so this is a sample which I am showing it to you. So this is how you will be adding your categories. You have travel as well. So the last one will be your travel. You can select that and create the category. Now to view all our categories, we'll go to vendor categories, all vendor categories. You can able to see in the tabular format with pagination. You can have 10 at one page or 5 is at a default. Okay, if you want to edit any of them, like for example, I want to edit the stationery item kind of thing. Okay, let's have edit stationery kind of thing. So what I'll do, I'll go with edit and then I'll change the icon to any other icon like this. Okay, this icon, and you can able to view it here and update the category. Once you update it, it will update successfully. And afterwards as well, let's go and see that stationery. Let's go to 10. Let's go to the stationery design and edit it again. You can see that previous item got stored. So this is how you can able to view, add and also delete the categories. That's all for this video. See you in our next video.